Hi everybody, back with some more drone footage for you, and today we're going to be looking at my X5C by Syma, if that's pronounced correctly. Someone may correct me. Very inexpensive drone, very light drone, very easy to fly drone. This drone can be had for around 40 bucks with the controller and with a battery. It is very inexpensive to fly. You can get a handful of batteries off eBay for not a lot of money, and a 4 battery charger is not a whole lot expensive, just a few bucks. And it flies quite nicely, does acrobatics, and has a small camera, not a high definition camera by any stretch of the imagination, but it has a camera. Nice flying drone. Be careful with this drone. If you get it up on a windy day, it will say goodbye. The wind will take it far, far away. I've lost more of these than I care to remember. In fact, my son brought one in the other day that blew out the top of a pine tree I didn't even realize was there. Nice drone. If you like more videos, please click subscribe, and we appreciate it.